Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dewey Food channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fried chicken for your stews, for your jollof rice, or just on its own. So if you want to know how I make this perfect fried chicken Ghana style, please keep on watching and I will see you next time. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to use chicken thigh and chicken wings. So I'm going to blend ginger, scotch bonnet, garlic, onions. I've got some peppercorns, some rosemary, and some aniseed. So now I'm just going to put everything in my blender. If you want to add different spices, please feel free to do so. But I think for fried chicken, this is enough. And also you can use any part of the chicken that you like. Just that this time I wanted to use the thigh and the wings. Right, I am now going to add water, and this time I'm going to add 2 cups. Why? It's because I need a lot of chicken broth for my jollof rice. Actually, I'm making chicken jollof rice, so you get me. But usually I'll be adding about 1 cup because chicken doesn't need that much water. So now let's get blending. Now I'm going to pour it on the chicken, and by the way, do not forget to wash and clean your chicken with lemon and water. It is very, very important. I did it off camera. And for the seasoning, I'm going to add some salt. I'll also be adding 3 of my favorite chicken seasoning. So one is from Ehyen and the other one is from Rennie. You can always find Ehyen seasoning on Instagram. They are very, very, very good. So next, I am also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. You can use any type of brand you like. And I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon or a bit less. And then I'm going to add my last chicken seasoning, and this is from the brand Rajah. I think their seasoning are top-notch, so you should really try it. Then I am also going to add just a little bit of hot curry powder. By the way, this is totally optional, but I like to have it. And then I'm going to add a bit more later on in the recipe. And then last but not least, I am going to add some smoked paprika. And again, this is optional, but I like it. So that's it for the seasoning. I am now going to stir it very well. And then I am going to cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is done. So guys, I am back after 15 minutes and I am going to check on my chicken. It is looking good, but it's not quite ready yet. But I am also going to give it a little stir. And then I will cover it back and come after about 10 minutes or so. Hi guys, it's been about 25 to 30 minutes and I'm going to check back on my chicken and it is nice and ready. Look at this chicken. And bonus, you also get to see a close-up of my chicken wing. So what I'm going to do now is to take it out of the pot, and then I'll be left with the chicken broth, which is very, very important when you are making either stew or even jollof rice. So this is it. So I'm going to keep my chicken on the side and heat up some oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but please feel free to use any type of oil you prefer. Let it heat up and then add in a little bit of curry powder, just a tiny weeny little bit, and also a quarter of onion, and deep fry the chicken. I added onion because I wanted even more flavor. I want a flavorful chicken, flavorful fried chicken. So let it fry. Don't forget to turn it over, and your chicken is ready when it's nice and golden. Some people prefer it a bit darker. You do as you please. In the meantime, I am going to strain the chicken broth because I just want the liquid for my jollof rice. So now let's get back to the chicken. This is how I like it. This is perfect for me. So I'm going to take it out of the oil. Come on guys, look at this perfect chicken. This is how a fried chicken should look like. Seriously. And by the way, make sure you have some kitchen towel on the side so that you can let the excess oil drain from the chicken. And then I'll carry on with the second batch of my chicken. Hey friends, there you have it. Here is my perfect chicken, perfectly seasoned and delicious chicken. This is a close-up here. So use it for your stews, eat it on its own with some pepper. It's just delicious. Let's just look at the inside. Look at this. Perfect, really perfect fried chicken. Well, that's it. That was my recipe. So please watch out for part 2. I'm going to make my chicken jollof rice using the chicken broth. Make sure you turn your notifications on so that you don't miss any of my recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.